Festivals we celebrate. India is a land of festivals. Festivals are an important part of our life. People wear new clothes, exchange greetings and gifts, have fun and laughter, eat special dishes, and celebrate festivals. Some festivals are celebrated throughout the country, whereas some festivals are celebrated only in specific states of the country. Festivals are mainly of three types. 1. National festivals. 2. Religious festivals. 3. Harvest festivals. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated by the people all over the country. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. The Independence Day. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Therefore, the Independence Day is celebrated on this day every year. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and addresses the nation. People sing the national anthem and other patriotic songs. The Republic Day. The Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day in 1950, India became a republic. A grand parade is taken out at the Rajpath in New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute of this parade. Units from the Army, Navy and Air Force take part in this parade and display their weapons, tanks, models of fighter planes and ships. There are colorful tableaux from different states which makes the parade more lively. Folk dancers from different states perform their dances. Hundreds of school children also participate in this parade. Children who have won awards for their bravery from the President of India are taken around on decorated elephants during the Republic Day parade. People from other countries come to see this parade. The Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate the Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. On this day in 1869, Mahatma Gandhi was born. He is also known as the Father of Nation. The entire nation pays homage to Mahatma Gandhi. Religious prayers are chanted on his Samadhi at the Rajghat in Delhi. As a mark of respect to him, people spin the charkha and sing Ramdhun on this day. Religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by the people of different religions. Some festivals are Dashera, Diwali, Holi, Eid and Christmas that we celebrate. Festivals bring joy and happiness and they make us close with other people. The Dashera. The Dashera is celebrated throughout India as the day when Lord Rama killed the 10-headed king Ravana. Dashera marks the victory of good over evil. Therefore, it is also known as Vijayadashmi. Dashera is celebrated for 10 days. Ramlila, which shows the life of Lord Rama, is staged for the first 9 days. On the 10th day, the effigies of Ravana, his brother, Kumbhakarna and son, Meghnad are burnt. The Dashera of Kuluvali and Mysore is famous all over the country. In some states, the Dashera is celebrated in a different ways. In West Bengal, it is celebrated as Durga Puja. People make big idols of goddess Durga, big pandals, stage, and after the puja, they are immersed into the water. The Diwali. The Diwali is known as the Festival of Light. It is believed that on this day, Lord Rama returned to his kingdom, Ayodhya, after 14 years of exile. Throughout India, the festival is marked with lights and crackers, sweets, feasts and fanfare. People on this day worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. The Gurpurab. The Gurpurab is celebrated as the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. The most important one among these is the birthday of the founder and first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev. It is also called Kartik Purnima. On this day, the Sikhs go to Gurudwaras. An open kitchen or langar is also organized for devotees. Langar is free and open to all irrespective of religion. The Eid al-Fitr. The Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of Ramzan by the Muslims. On this day, the devotees put on new clothes and offer namaz at mosques. After the prayer, people participate in the feasts and in fairs. They prepare a special sweet dish called sevaiya. Rich people donate food, clothes, etc. The Raksha Bandhan. The Raksha Bandhan is a festival to celebrate the bond and love between brothers and sisters. On this day, sisters tie rakhis on the wrists of their brothers for their long and happy life. The brothers, in turn, vow to take care and protect their sisters. On this day, brothers present gifts to their sisters. The Christmas. The Christmas is celebrated by the Christians on 25th December every year. On this day, Jesus Christ was born to Virgin Mary in Bethlehem. On Christmas, people attend midnight mass meetings and sing carols in churches. Children decorate Christmas trees and give gifts to friends and relatives. People also bake special Christmas cakes, and Santa Claus distributes gifts to children. The Holi. The Holi is the festival of colors. On this day, people throw gulal and colored water on each other, sing and dance to the beat of drums and enjoy a variety of sweets and other delicious food. People light bonfire to remember the destruction of Holika, a demoness who wanted to kill Prahlad. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when the crops are harvested. They mark the change in seasons. Harvesting of crops is very important to farmers. Therefore, they celebrate these occasions. The Baisakhi. The Baisakhi is one of the important festivals of Punjab and is celebrated with great enthusiasm. It marks the beginning of the month Vaishakh. It is a harvest festival which is celebrated on the 13th day of April. On this day, people dance and sing. The Lohri. The Lohri is celebrated on the 13th day of January in the states of Punjab and Haryana. In the evening, a huge bonfire is lit, and people dance around it. Sugarcane stalks and parched rice are thrown into the bonfire. Men perform bhagra and women do gidda dance on this day. The Lohri is a fun-filled festival for everyone. The Onam. The Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is believed that mythical King Bali comes to visit his people in Kerala once a year, and people rejoice his homecoming. People decorate their houses with floral patterns. On this day, snake boat race is organized. The Pongal. The Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days in the honor of rain god, Indra, sun god and holy cows respectively. On the 3rd day, bullfights are organized. Special dish called Pongal is prepared on this day. Cow is worshipped and Pongal is offered to them for their service to cultivation. The Bihu. The Bihu is a harvest festival of Assam. In a year, Assamese celebrate 3 different kinds of Bihu festival, that are the Bohag Bihu in the middle of April, the Magh Bihu in the middle of January, and the Kati Bihu in the middle of October. The Bihu is basically a celebration of the change of the seasons. People sing and dance and wear traditional clothes.